Hello people of the universe, it's your girl Mel, and today we're doing a makeup tutorial slash hair tutorial. It's gonna be so good. I accomplished my hair, like curly hair routine, with only one product, which is insane, and I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So here, a little boogie because it's hair wash day and we're happy. I haven't washed my hair in like a week at this point. And FYI, I dye my hair by myself at home, so if you want a video about it, kind of tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. Now, first and only product, kind of, it's this curling mousse by John Frieda, I think that's the name, and this white tooth comb with obviously oil. I use two different oils. Obviously your girl is gonna be like, oh, let me show them my shampoo, and I forgot to show you my conditioner. It changes, I don't have a preference, but this is the one that I'm currently using. Now, little dance because we're gonna take a shower, and yeah, be right back. I honestly don't know why I'm dancing so much in all of these transitions, but whatever, we're gonna go with it. So we don't like a middle part, and I'm trying to kind of train my hair to not have a middle part. So this is kind of what I'm doing. In the shower, I'm also combing it through like that way. And if you don't look like the girl from The Ring, you're doing this wrong. So next step would be to section up your top part of your head, your hair, and then kind of comb through the bottom part. Am I explaining this correctly? And now you're gonna take your handy dandy mousse and make a huge ball like this, and then we're gonna slap it, and you're gonna layer your hair, lather your hair with it, and just make sure to have like a lot of product on your hair and on your roots. And now you're gonna scrunch up your hair with the mousse, and if you don't hear that squishy like kind of water slash mousse sound, you're not doing it correctly. Now, what I do, what makes a big difference in my entire curly hair routine since I've been doing that, is basically sectioning up the top part of my hair and kind of going into small sections. So basically, I do that, scrunch it up, and sometimes I finger coil some strands here and there. And like this video, I actually finger coiled the entire top part of my hair. And I come to realize that I don't necessarily like to do that because I feel like it kind of makes it all clumped up. If you don't finger coil like small sections, then it kind of clumps up all your hair together, and then it kind of creates frizz. That's how my hair reacts to it. So, yeah. And as you can tell, I'm putting in a lot of mousse. And I'm a firm believer that like there's no such thing as too much mousse. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I actually put water on my hair and kind of wet it throughout the whole entire process because my hair actually dries up pretty fast. Now, let me give you a pro tip and something that's going to change your entire curly hair routine, okay? So, the front sections of your hair, you're going to separate that into small sections, okay? Small little strands, even smaller than the ones that I'm doing right now, cuz now looking back at it, I'm realizing that that is not small enough. And you're going to finger coil them to the max. Now, next step, we're gonna plop our hair, and if you don't have a cool bonnet, don't worry. We have a long sleeve t-shirt that can be a bonnet, like I'm doing right now. We're gonna wait a few hours, maybe like an hour or two, and then our hair is gonna be like this. Basically, not damp, just humid. And you can see definition, you know? We're gonna use these claw clips, the tiny ones, to put on our roots. Goal here is to have volume, to get more volume at the roots. And because my hair is so long, then it weighs it down, and also it's curly, it's heavy. Trust me, it's really heavy. And like I mean, these claw clips has changed the game for me. I've never had that much volume in my life, and from the roots to the ends. So I'm just like, wow, yeah. Now let's jump to the next clip. Here, I woke up, it was the morning, and when I was doing my curly hair routine, I was filming it. It was late at night, so I slept with my hair slightly humid, and it was still kind of humid, not 100% dry. And I would say that I would leave on the claw clips until my hair is fully dried. This is the oil that I use, and I'm not so much of a fan of it. I just have it and I'm using it because I don't want to waste it. But yeah, I rather have like argan oil in my hair. And guys, could you just like take a second? I accomplished this hair at home and I have really, really dark brown hair. Well, yeah, I have really dark brown hair. So this is actually pretty crazy. And I've been doing the touch ups by myself and toning it by myself. So yeah, I know it's not like 100% perfect, but I feel like it gives it more depth. So yeah, guys, so that's my curly hair routine, and as you can see, I'm still putting in the claw clips, and we're gonna leave it like that for a while. Now, this was filmed some other random day, okay? This was supposed to be a like have a date with me type of video. And I actually like this footage, so I'm gonna repurpose it to be a makeup tutorial. So first, I like putting in the Rare Beauty, I don't know what it's called, glow something onto my face and mostly like the my under eyes just to kind of brighten up everything. And I kind of dab it a little bit everywhere. I take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and just put little dots here and there on my blemishes, the redness on my face, and then kind of like my under eyes as well. I don't like putting on a bunch of foundation. I just can't. I touch my face all the time and it gives me anxiety. I don't know. And I feel like I can't sweat and it's just stressing me out. So that's why I just kind of put little small dots here and there, and that does the job. Then I take this bronzer and I contour my nose with it. Guys, let me tell you, I used to get bullied so much for my nose, my eyes, and my lips. And, my nose was like the main thing. And now I'm starting to like my nose more and more throughout the years. And yeah, I don't know. I feel like my face has grown and my nose has like shrunk a little. I don't know. So here I'm gonna take some blush and I'm just gonna, put some blush on the cheekbones and on my nose as well. I like that little cute red nose type of thing. And also I kind of put some on my eyelids. And yeah. And yes, I'm that person that's gonna use one product all over. So we're gonna use this lash curler and we're gonna curl our lashes. I actually hate this step. I always pinch my eyelids with this. Now we're gonna take this burgundy mascara and we're gonna do this motion and then that motion to get more volume. Guys, you maybe can't tell, but I have light brown eyes, but not too light. And sometimes they go a little bit green. So I'm gonna use that burgundy to try to get that color out, okay? And also, I'm gonna take this brown mascara and kind of poke my eye like that. Well, it's actually my waterline. And I'm gonna do that to both eyes and then put some mascara onto my bottom lashes. And I love making my big eyes bigger. The bigger, the better. And then we're gonna take these two colors. These are MAC. Is it? No, it's not MAC. It's Mecca. Becca? Mecca. Mecca. It's a brand from Australia. And currently I'm living here, so that's why I have these. But yeah, these are absolutely amazing. So I always take two different shades of lip liner, one to like kind of just, do my entire lips, and then the other one to overline and kind of contour my lips with, like you can tell right now. I got distracted for a second looking at myself doing that. And the same principle as my eyes, the bigger the better. So I just like to kind of, overline slightly. I already have like big lips, but I like that. I like this look. See? Looking like a Bratz doll, right? Or like, I don't know. Yeah, I love it. See how happy I am? So here I was debating if I was going to do eyeliner, and then this happened. So I was like, you know what? That answers my question. And this is it, guys. This is my makeup tutorial. Now, 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your notification bell on like that you can know whenever I upload. And thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Oh my god, I'm trying to do this and it's complicated. Love you guys. Bisous. Bye.